Track 146. A.
Snow,
B.
wind,
C.
rain,
D.
sun,
E.
spring,
F.
summer,
G.
autumn,
H.
winter,
I.
cold,
J.
warm,
K.
hot.
Track 147.
What do you think about the weather? Some people love talking about the weather. What about you? Send us a message. Answer one of these questions. 1. How do you feel when it's raining? 2. What sports do you do in the winter? 3. Do you like summer more than winter? Messages. Hannah, 11, Oxford.
I play football every autumn and winter in the rain, wind and snow. The cold weather doesn't stop me.
Kelly, 13, Southampton.
I feel bad when it rains in the holidays. I like doing things outside. I don't want to stay inside reading or watching TV. And you can't go to the cinema every day. It's too expensive.
Libby, 12, Newport.
I love sports, but it's harder to do them outside in winter. I play tennis in the summer and spring, but not in winter. I often go swimming with my friends on Saturdays in winter.
Josh, 12, Aberdeen.
Rain is just water. It's not a problem. I put on a coat and I go outside. It's fun.
David, 13, Suffolk.
I have a horse and I ride it every day, in the winter and in the summer. Cold weather's not a problem, but we don't like the wind. It's not nice.
Ethan, 11, London.
No, I don't like hot sun at all. My favourite kind of weather is snow. It's much better to play in.
Finn, 10, Hull.
Sad. I want to go on a day out with my parents and my brother, but we can't go because it's raining.
Sarah, 14, Derby.
Of course, I love the sun. It's my favourite kind of weather. I feel happier when it's warm. I love going to the pool with my friends. When I'm on holiday, I spend time at the beach and swim in the sea.
Track 148.
Snow, coat. Wind, live. Rain, stay. Warm, sport. Fun, love. Find, ride. Watch, stop. Where.
Track 149. Message 1.
I'm on holiday in Portugal with my friend Sophia and her family. They come here every year. We're staying in a hotel for a week. The weather's great. It's really hot and sunny. Her parents have a car and we drive to the beach every day. There are also lots of really interesting places to visit. It's fantastic.
Message 2.
I'm camping in Scotland for 2 days with my friend Ben. The weather's really bad. It's raining and it's cold. We're all sitting inside the tent. It's not much fun. I can't wait to come home. We're leaving on Friday to catch an early train. So, see you soon.
Message 3.
I'm on an adventure holiday in France with some friends. It's great. We get the bus every day to the beach and do water sports there. The weather's okay. It's cold in the mornings, but warm in the afternoons. We're staying until Saturday, and then we're flying home. See you then.
Track 150.
Welcome to Kiwi Summer Camp. Do you know people from New Zealand are called New Zealanders? Some people call them Kiwis. A kiwi is also a bird and a fruit. Spend a week with other young people. Do exciting activities at the beach. Enjoy campfires every night. Go sandboarding on the beach. You need a special board. You can stand, sit, or lie on the board. Climb to the top of the sand dune and go down. It's fast and exciting. Be safe. Put on a sun hat. Go snorkeling in the sea. You need a snorkel mask. Some people also wear special swimming shoes called fins. You can go on a boat and jump into the sea, or you can snorkel near the beach. Swim underwater and see fantastic fish. Be safe. Are you good at swimming? That's important for snorkeling. Go kayaking in the sea. You need a boat called a kayak and you need a paddle. When we go in the sea, we use a special kayak called a sit-on-top kayak. It's amazing. Be safe. Always wear a life jacket.
Track 151.
Today, we're in Australia. Australia is famous for surfing. Surfing is an important activity for lots of Australians. We're here at Surfing Australia, a surfing summer camp. Young people stay here and learn to surf. Here's Shane. He's going to tell us about it.
G'day! So, every morning we get up and go to the beach. Teachers teach us how to surf. For surfing, you need a special board called a surfboard. A big surfboard is easier than a small one. Here's my surfboard. It's blue and yellow. First, you learn to paddle into the sea with your hands. Then, you learn to stand up on your surfboard. And finally, you ride the waves You go surfing. It's cool.
And what else do you do?
In the afternoon, there's time to practice surfing. Or you can enjoy other beach activities, like snorkeling or swimming.
It's very hot and sunny at the beach.
Yes, it is. Australians know people need to be safe in the sun. We have an expression: slip on a shirt, slop on the sun cream, and slap on a hat.
Slip, slop, slap. I like it.
That's right. And then, in the evenings, there are barbecues back at the camp with other young people. We Australians call a barbecue a barbie. And we enjoy sitting around the campfire before we go to bed.
It sounds fun.
It is fun.
Well, that's it from Australia.